Papa. Papa.
Oh, get it.
You form my hand though.
Oh, give me.
Now which kind talk with this way you dey talk now? This thing where you dey cap now, it no make sense. Eh?
Oh, get it.
Which one be say you go to the palace? They no agree you, the queen did not allow you to enter inside the palace. How?
That is not what I said. She said the king was having his siesta. And what came to look at the king?
No, you born having his siesta. How? Why would the king have his siesta now? Eh? Papa, see, if I go to that palace, no, I will enter inside that king's bedroom. I'll go and see him.
Adora.
Nobody will stop me.
Adora.
Eh?
Adora, what has come over you? Why are you doubting your father?
Mama, yes, I'm doubting Papa. Yes, Papa allowed them to fool him. They fooled Papa. How would that woman tell Papa that the king is having siesta? No, Yibo. Why would the king have siesta? As the king finished thinking about his people, his own self, his family, we his subjects, and he's there going to sleep. For what now? On Alalule if again.
Adora, will you keep quiet and allow me to think? What has come over you?
Papa, there is nothing you're thinking of. Papa, the truth, let us tell ourselves the truth. Papa, you dey whine me. There is nothing you're thinking. Me and you know that this your bad head. Or when you in there thinking. Which kind of thing be this now? Mama, see, I know what I'm saying. Which kind of nonsense is this now? Papa does not want me to deal with that prince. Before that prince, Papa does not want me to deal with that prince. Yes, but I promised him I will deal with that prince. You see that boy? I will deal with him. He will know why they call me Adora.
What's the name?
Mama, I would see everybody's scared of him. I am not scared of him. Don't worry. Angela, just sweet. Let's just sweet. I'll come out. I'll make sure I destroy him. Mama, I will destroy him.
I don't know Kuala. Hey! I know what new.
Things have gone wrong. My tree has
Father, did you say that I will marry that good-for-nothing girl? Now get out of my sight before I curse you. Have you not done that already? Cursing me is like cursing the land because I will eventually take over from you. So a cursed king will definitely rule this kingdom. Does it look like I'm bothered? Well, I came to let you know that I will never, ever marry that girl. Get out of my sight. I made my point. Get out of my sight!
Father, is everything all right?
It's your brother. I just hope he will not kill me someday. He makes me angry all the time.
Father, but you know Kamdi. You should be used to his behavior by now.
He doesn't behave like a child of mine. He doesn't behave like my son.
But Father, Kamdi is your son, and you know that.
He doesn't seem so.
He is, Father.
Yeah. Your mother went to the palace today, right?
Yes.
I said it. She said the king.
Yes.
I talk calm. I know say my pale na coward. You see my pale? Hi. You see that man? If no be say na my pale, he go collect, I swear. My pale, they tell me say he go palace. They no gree am enter. Say the king, they have in siesta. Can you imagine?
Your father?
Yes. Your mother came back with good news, Abi? Tell me, what did the king tell him?
She said that the prince must marry me.
He must marry you. You see your mother? She is very, very brave, I swear. You see your mama? I wish I get that kind of mama. I will not get problem. All this nonsense not going to happen. By the time my mother and I, we put hands together, we don't finish all these people. But no while he go marry you. Shebi go marry him.
No, he's not a good man. I don't want to marry him.
You don't go marry him. He's not a good man. See, make I tell you. Whoever they don't chop him. Atagogi bona atagogi. Now one nibuzi mwelelele, ibuzi kaka set. If I be fukita na ha, ibuzi don dada. Yes now, no ye your pono to kill you yozo. So ka give money me paraya ge. No ya, marry him for your own good. Ikwechiri. So that he will not go and eat another person. No. You dey hear they say, okay, I no go marry him. You know say na that boy be the next king of you people's community. Yes now. If you marry him, you become the queen of your community. Because he can never be my king. He can never be my prince.
But the prince is not a good man at all.
He no concern you. They don't chop you if you say they don't chop you. Oh, you don't know say you don't reduce your bride price. Ada make you use your head though. See, you don't marry and finish.
What kind of talk is that?
Yes, now you go marry him. You don't marry and finish, yo. Ha.
My husband.
Thunder fire you, dear, in your generation. Is it this mouth you use in calling your husband? Are you mad? Who's your husband? What are you doing here?
You know why I am here, so stop pretending.
I'm just looking at you and thinking where to strangle you from. Is it to shoot this inside your eyes? Or to strangle your neck? Look, if you know what is good for your miserable life, I am giving you from now till tomorrow to leave this palace.
I am going nowhere. I have come to stay. You must take care of me.
You'll stay in cuffs. I promise.
Do you think staying here is the best option for you? My brother will never and can never love you. He will make life miserable for you. So I will advise you go home while I talk to my father for you to stay in your house and have this baby.
I prefer to stay here. Thank you so much, my princess. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I appreciate your advice, but me, I prefer to stay here. You must take care of me.
I'm not disputing the fact that you want to stay in this palace to have your child. But you need to go. You need to, okay?
I'm not going now. I don't want to go. See this palace. I'm staying here. I'm not going anywhere.
As you all know, our neighboring villages have been pestering us into an inter-trade relation. I want us to know of what interest is it to us. We also need to know what they are offering to know if it is going to be beneficial to us.
Your Highness, I think it's better we don't involve in any business with them. Remember, they were the ones who were against the learned men who came to educate us on how to improve our farming ideas.
What we must understand is this. The interest they have. Why would they be pestering us?
Father, I want to see you. Talk.
What is the meaning of this? Something wrong with you? Can't you see I'm in the middle of an important meeting with the elders?
What I want to discuss with you is also very important to me. You see, I don't like that girl that you married for me. I don't know why you did such a thing. Did I beg you to?
What about the pregnancy? Were you not the one who shamelessly forced yourself on her that we had to force you to get married to her?
Well, the deed has been done. We can easily send her to her father's house. Well, when she gives birth, then maybe we'll bring her back or we'll take care of her from there.
You must be stupid. You want to ridicule me? You want people to laugh at me? Hey, don't give me reason to doubt if you're actually my son.
Hell no, my king. Do not say a thing like that. He's your son. You know he's just going...
Come, did I beg you to say anything? I don't understand. I'm talking with my father, you're intruding as what now? Huh? Why are you elders fools? Like, I don't understand. Why can't you mind your business? Is it hard to mind? I'll shoot this thing inside your arm. Shut up your mouth.
It's me or no war. Huh?
I'll give you punk now. You mad? Talking to my father, you're intruding. Who the hell are you? If I'm going to take your time, I'm reasonable. Well, father, I've made my point, okay? That girl should go to her father's house.
Ewo, Are we the ones he just called fools? What just happened? Or was I dreaming?
Leave us now. I said leave us now.
Rubbish. Think about what I just said.
You said he's going through adolescence. He has actually shown you his adolescence.
Why are you sleeping on the couch? Meant to be your bedroom.
Father is not back, right?
No sign of him yet.
Since our many years of marriage, your father has never slept out. Let alone keep late night.
Maybe something held him back. He's trying to attend to some things. That could be the only reason.
Is that thing holding him back? That is why I'm worried. What is that thing holding him back from coming back to his house? He didn't go out with the guards. He only went with the driver. And he didn't dress in the way regalia,
Well,
but in
Mom,
simple dressing.
Let's not be negative about it, okay? Let's just go to bed, sleep over till tomorrow. If no sign of him, then take actions. Though I know my father, I know he's fine, okay? Let's go to bed.
I don't feel right about the whole thing. I have this feeling that all this is not well.
Everything is well, okay? I just...
And where are you coming from? You left this palace since yesterday. I refused to pick my calls. You came back this morning, you're innocently walking into the house. As if you don't know what you did. Tell me, where are you coming from? I deserve an explanation from you.
Is this your good morning?
Really?
This is why I had to leave this house since yesterday. I am tired of the troubles you and your son give me every day. I need peace of mind. If you'll excuse me.
I was sitting in the okay, hey! Where did you take the king to? Where did you drive him to?
Nowhere, Your Majesty.
If you want to continue working here, and you don't want me to skin you alive, even though I will try to protect you if you tell me the truth, where did you take him?
Nowhere, Your Majesty. I only took him to the bar.
So where did he sleep? In the bar?
The king was drunk, so I took him to a lady's house, Your Majesty.
I see. You took him to a lady's house?
Yes, Your Majesty.
This same lady you took him to, if you're asked to describe her house, will you be able to do that?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Like I told you earlier, it's our little secret. I'll protect you. One of these days, you're going to drive me to that same lady's place.
Okay, Your Majesty.
You understand, right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So you can take your ass back to the house. Get lost. So you're dragging the water. Is he your husband? Your Majesty. Who was the woman you slept with? The day you left the palace?
Woman, allow me to enjoy my food in peace. You don't want me to have peace in this palace anymore?
You will have peace. Once you tell me the truth. Are you seeing another woman?
Yes. Yes, I am seeing another woman. Someone who does not bother me as much as you and your wayward son. Are you satisfied now?
I think I know who that lady is. Ebubedike, you mean after all these years, you are still seeing that woman? What did I ever do wrong to you? Of course, you should lose your appetite. When you enjoyed yourself the other night, you still have appetite to eat my food. Leave this food, I'm going to give them to beggars. People that deserve to eat it. That are not as rotten and debased as you are.
It is done. She will be with you in a moment. But are you sure you really want to do this?
Ubaka, I want to enjoy myself. Just leave me alone. I want to forget all the wahala, the problem in palace. Go. Ubaka, go.
As it pleases you, Your Highness.
Tell her I am waiting for her.
Hello. My name is Beatrice.
You're welcome. You are an angel.
The man you sent told me you want to have a good time. Can you afford me?
Can I afford you?
Yes.
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
I don't know. I don't care to know. As long as you have money, we are good.
Let me ask you my question.
Go on.
Can you wound me? No, can you wound me? Yes. Answer it.
Yes.
Oh. Laugh for yourself.
I can.
Okay. Let us go to hotel.
No, I'm sorry. I don't do hotels. We could go to my place, you know. It's not far from here.
You don't want to go to hotel?
No, I don't do hotels.
We should go to your house.
Yes. It's safe. Yes.
I want to do jiggy jiggy.
You want to do jiggy jiggy?
Can you jiggy jiggy me?
I can.
Eh?
Yes, I can.
Eh?
But this one you are drunk. Are you sure you can handle me? Huh? You can do jiggy 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 jiggy.
Leave the body alone and face the engine. The engine can jiggy jiggy you.
So the engine can jiggy jiggy me?
Yes.
Okay.
It will jiggy jiggy you.
So let's go so that you can jiggy jiggy this, you know?
My dear.
Don't finish it. You're already drunk. Because I know you cannot perform with this level of highness. Let's go.
Dear, bye-bye. Okay.
Yes, bye-bye, dear.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I stand?
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, just hold me like this.
Then it's a big river.
Are you sure you can jiggy jiggy me? Let me hold your face.
We will not pass here. There is big river here.
Yes, big river. Ah, you are high. Let's go.
We'll go past here.
Are you serious? You're so funny. Let's go. Let's go. Just hold me.
I can't give you. I can't give you.
Who is here? Bam bam.
Your Highness. Greetings, Your Highness. There's problem, Your Highness.
Sit down. How serious?
I need to speak to you in private, Your Highness.
Guard, please leave us. Ichobaka. What is it?
I just received a call from Beatrice this morning.
Beatrice. Who is Beatrice?
The lady you followed and slept with 3 months ago.
Oh, I remember. What about her?
She is 3 months pregnant.
3 months pregnant? What has that got to do with me?
She's claiming it to be yours.
Claiming it to be mine? That is ridiculous. Isn't she a prostitute? Was I the only man that slept with her? She should go and meet the other men that slept with her. Oh, she wants to use it as a ploy to extort something from me. I won't fall for her business. Because the business I had with her ended that same night.
I also thought she wanted to blackmail you, Your Highness. She doesn't even know that you are the king. She said you insisted on not using protection. That is why she's calling you to send her money to abort it.
You are sure she doesn't know my identity?
That is what she said.
Are you lost? Who are you? And what are you doing in my house?
So you're the thing that is planning on taking my husband away from me. What did he see in you that got him attracted to him? Is it not this thing I see here? Is there anyone remaining inside the house?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Who is after your husband?
Don't play stupid with me. It is only an ignorant child that plays with a snake, thinking it's a rope. I am the queen. Nobody takes what belongs to me. I don't know what you're doing with my husband, the king.
I don't care who you are or who your husband is. But you cannot come to my house and raise your voice at me. Hell no.
Leave. I should leave.
Leave my house now.
I should leave your house.
Yes.
I'll leave. But let me sound it as a note of warning, because I see your mouth is loud. Stay away from my husband, else. Stupid.
Can you imagine?